Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, happy Monday, and this book is from Donna. Donna Powered by Creativity. I mean, look at this cover. So good, right? The glitter was amazing. So good, the stickles. I need to like step my glitter game up. But I'm trying to get the camera. Hold on. It always works where... No, it doesn't, because when I change it, it'll only let me change it if I'm not recording. But hopefully you can see. Okay. But let me... Hold on. I wonder if I mess with the lights, it's going to turn my camera off. Look, guys. Do you see the Christmas lights? Hold on. We're going to make it dark really quick. I'll remember to turn it back on. Alright, so we're back. Look at the Christmas lights. So cute. So pretty. Amazing. And there's a little switch back here that you can turn them off and on. And we're going to turn them off. And then we're going to bring the light back on. Hold on. Alright, we're back. And so let's untie this amazing journal, which I'm never going to get back like this. So wish me luck, people. Wish me luck. I'm the worst about tying bows. I think it's a skill. Like, some people have it, some people don't. Not so much. Okay. So then she also has this beautiful closure, and it has glitter, and it's so pretty. Okay, so this paper is amazing. It says this book belongs to. How pretty. She's got tabs that pull journaling cards. Dear Santa, I can't explain. So cute. I can hear her saying that. I love that. And these little tabs are so cute. Alright, day 2. Love this. I'm telling you, last year I did it for my December daily and I am obsessed. But it goes all the way around and you can just stick pictures on here. So cute. And she put plenty in here. So cute. Amazing. It says, Santa, please stop here. Oh, look. Look. Oh, it's all ice skates. And look. Okay, hold on. Making sure my camera stayed on. So look. Oh, so cute, Donna. So cute. Alright, so then there's journaling cards. And look how cute. Alright, I'm going to stick that back in. And we have another tab. Merry Christmas, love, hope, joy to you always. I love that it flips. So smart. Alright, put that in here. And now this was genius. It says, from the desk of Santa. And it goes, he sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're... No, okay. He sees you when you're sleeping is what you've always heard. But there is no way, no how, you say. This is totally absurd. We'll see this little camera. This is how right here. He knows if you've been bad or good. So it's important to be nice to each other and not be naughty or mean. We should always spread joy and laughter and keep our rooms clean. Santa wants you to be good. Oh, Donna, I need you to send this with it. Be good. Santa wants you to be good because naughty kids make everyone very, very sad. Just remember, if you feel you must be naughty, the camera means you're caught. So cute. And then it says, Dear Santa, this year I have been naughty or nice. I would like most. Oh, it's like a Christmas list. Look how cute. And then look, guys. Again, so cute with the camera. Donna, you are so creative. Your creative nature amazes me. Alright, check this out. So cute. I'm recording a video. You can come in here, but you have to be quiet. Look at the Christmas lights, and they're on a string. I love that. Deck the halls. And she's got a beautiful bookmark. And then look at this waterfall. And it's magnetized. And there's your I love that. Oh, and there's a pocket down here. Shh. There is this cute little Santa paper clip. And then here it says, always believe. For real. And then look at this, guys. So there's like this little bag. And then look how adorable is this. Alright. Okay, so this one I remember. Okay, so look at this. So you pull this, it says Merry Christmas, look at the glitter. And then there's the tree, and then look at this shaker. And it's so thick and pretty. So cute. Alright, let's put that back. And then stick this back. That closure is so cute. Alright, and then we have another one. Oh, look at Santa's little butt. So, oh wait. Adorable. I should have probably looked at the top. Y'all know I'm so bad about that. Okay, we're good. Okay, we're good. Okay, so look at this. Laugh, treasure, bliss. So cute. These little journaling cards. Adorable. I kind of peeped at her video, but I kind of like to be surprised. I talk about that. Elijah, shh, I'm recording a video. Look at this little book she put in here, and there's so much paper, and she stamped. Oh my gosh, Donna, this is so good. Alright, so here is another journaling card. It says, Happy Christmas to all, and to all a good night, for real. Alright. Oh, one thing, if you're watching this, I decided that instead of doing a list where I'm pulling people, I'm going to just make it like a Secret Santa thing, so you won't know what journal you're getting until you get it. And look at these journal cards, and Mickey with the candy cane. Look at this. Alright, so this opens up here. And then look at this tuck spot. This is so cute, Donna. And so cute. And then we have a jolly Christmas. And then we have Santa and a bow. And then we have another bookmark, which is amazing. I love that bow. And then over here, we got all kinds of goodies. So let's grab. It says Santa. Oh, look at this little envelope. What envelope? No, I'm just playing. So cute. And she's got all these journaling spots. What envelope? Okay, there is one. This one says ho ho ho. And this Christmas tree is placed perfectly. And then she's got a pin on this side. It's clipped. Look at all these. Oh my gosh, Donna, this is so cute. She's got all these paper clips on here for the person. I love the balls, the Christmas tree, and then so there's 3 balls, 1 Christmas tree, and the ornaments, and all the journaling, and a pen. And then she's got this beautiful tuck spot, right? That's a shaker with Santa through the window. Oh, so good. And then she's got another, hold on, okay, I know what okay. So then there's this one, look. Alright, and then when we open this page, look at this. Season's greetings. Oh, I remember now. So these slide out. So she has it where they come completely out. and she matted all of the pages. So let's stick that back in. You know, everybody's still in that idea next year. And then there's this one. Alright, so let's stick it back in its hole. So cute, Donna. And then there is this one. Sometimes I ask myself how I keep up with everything, but I magically do. Look at this one. And there's tuck here, tuck here. He's so cute. Tuck back here and a tuck up here and there. So cute. And then there is another one with these bells on it. Let's stick this back in. Okay. There we go. Oh, I know Kat is like, oh my god, there's my page. So, there's a pocket here, but it's a tuck spot, right? And then she's got all this amazing, like, vintage ephemera. Look at the Santa bookmark and the tags. Alright, put that back in the hole. And then there is this one. Look how cute. So this flips open. Oh my gosh. Let's start over here. There's this house that's a tuck. And then behind this tuck, did you make these? They're dream catcher ornaments. Oh, Donna, tell me you have a video. Because I could totally make these for somebody. Yeah, tell me you have a video. This is so adorable. Alright. Legend of the Dream Catcher. I love this. I know a lot about it. And that is cute and so thoughtful. Here's another bookmark. So there's plenty of bookmarks. Close. And then look at these. Does it, I don't want to mess up anything. Is it just, oh, it does slide, right? Hold on. Look at this. They all slide. This pocket system is amazing. Go in. Did we get it in? It's because I'm looking at it. I don't know when y'all be doing this. You're like, turn it towards you. That's so cute. So she's got all these little pockets where they all slide out and you can journal on them or put a picture. And then there is this one. This one says Season's Greetings. Oh, look. I love that paper. This is so cute. And there's one of these books again. Look at this. Dick Smith, a native of Homesdale, Pennsylvania, was reportedly inspired to write a song after seeing Homesdale Central Park covered in snow. Smith had written the lyrics when in the West Mountain Sanctum, being treated for tuber, better known as a consumption. The West Mountain Sanctum is located in the north. Is it Skull Avenue in Staunton, Pennsylvania? How cute is that? Say cheese. That's pretty cool. And here's a place to journal and put pictures. And there's plenty. That's cute. She's so thoughtful. So there's another one here. And look, that one has holly. And then it says place photo here and here. So you can slide your photo in. So cute. Say cheese. And then this one says Merry Christmas at the top. And then the Santa, and then, oh, look at the lights, but it's a tuck spot, and it's holding another one of these amazing paper clips. Okay, and then this says Merry and Bright, and it says Made with Love, Merry Christmas 2018, XO, XO, XO. Donna, powered by creativity. So good, Donna. Love this. So I know I kind of told y'all about Donna's. If you're first time watching it, you got to go check out her channel. It's amazing. So subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. I will have Donna's information linked below as well as above. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Be free, just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like.